How to remove my credit card from Mcafee account. 2 quick solutions. Method 1. Remove credit card. Step 1. Go to Mcafee official website. Step 2. Enter your registered email ID and password. Step 3. Tap on Sign In. Step 4. Now go to My Profile. Step 5. Under the payment methods, click on Update. Step 6. Now click on Delete next to the card you want to remove. Step 7. In the pop-up, click Yes Delete to confirm the process. Step 8. Click on Back and then log out of your account. Method 2. Remove linked card from account and payment protection. Step 1. Go to Mcafee official website. Step 2. Enter your registered email ID and password. Step 3. Tap on Sign In. Step 4. From the top right corner, click on the settings icon. Step 5. Now go to My Linked Card. Step 6. Click on Remove the card link next to the linked card, then click Remove link in the pop-up prompt to proceed. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirusdales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.